Okay, here's the rock Exotica ORCA that Dave sent me. Nice guy Dave sent me. You can see right on the top of the carabiner it says advanced users only with some skull and crossbones. It's really cool. It just locks open. There's a little machine spot right there for that pin, and it locks open. When you're ready, it clicks right in. And you can set it to get ready to put your gear in. So it's in the ready position. And then it automatically locks. Okay. So it's sort of like a standby mode for the beaner. You can just get the beaner ready, clip in your gear. It's ready to go. Try lock. You got three movement lock. Nice tool. See, Dave is a nice guy. I don't care about his smile. He's a nice guy. He did me good. Really sweet setup. Thanks, Dave. Hope that kind of gives you an idea what it is, Burnham. I just thought I'd share it with everybody.